To extend the capabilities of the very successful Revoband continuous oven, Double D has developed the Revoband char grilling, searing and bar marking unit, which is designed to enhance the appearance, taste and texture of everything you cook. The unit can be standalone or be part of an inline process and will give you a decisive edge on the competition by enabling you to produce consistently good added value products. Whether it's vegetables, meat, poultry or fish, you can add value to your entire range. Vegetables retain their bite and that just fresh appearance, whilst retaining a good structure for handling and packaging. The Chargrill unit has an extremely durable, balanced, chain-link stainless steel travelling band. Access doors make cleaning easy. The Revoband char grilling, searing and bar marking unit has proved to be one of Double D's most successful ever products. And with its unique technology, we believe brings char grilling, searing and bar marking into the 21st century.